Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Vibes.
I'm John.
And I'm Emma. Today's lesson is very helpful for everyday English.
Yes, we're teaching you how to ask and answer questions easily.
But first,
Don't forget to like this video
subscribe to English Vibes.
and click the bell icon so you never miss our new lessons.
When you click the bell, you get our lessons on time.
Okay, let's begin.
Today's topic is asking and answering questions.
This is super important because questions help you start conversations.
Yes, when you ask questions, you learn more about people.
And when you answer questions well, your English becomes natural.
So today, we'll teach easy questions and simple answers.
And we'll practice them with examples.
Let's start with the most common question words. What?
Where,
When?
who,
Why?
how,
These are called WH questions.
and you can use them in almost any conversation.
Easy examples of each question. What is your name?
My name is John.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is in July.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is David.
Why are you learning English?
Because I want to travel.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 25.
Here are easy patterns to answer questions.
I am.
I live.
I like.
I work as.
Because.
My favorite is.
These patterns help you answer confidently.
And they work in all situations.
Repeat after us.
What is your name?
My name is John.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Why are you happy?
Because it's a sunny day.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Great job.
You're doing amazing.
Let's learn some everyday questions. Where do you work? What do you like to do? How was your weekend? When do you wake up? Do you speak English? Do you have any pets? Are you busy today?
These questions are perfect for simple conversations.
Emma, can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Why do you drink so much coffee?
Because I need energy to work with you.
Hey, I'm not that bad.
I'm joking. Coffee is just my favorite.
Okay, my turn. Ask me a question.
How many plants do you have now?
Only 10.
Only?
Plants make me happy. They listen to me.
They have no choice.
To sound polite, you can add, "Excuse me, may I ask? Can you tell me? Could you repeat? Would you mind?"
These phrases make your English friendly and soft.
Let's act out a real conversation.
Hi, I'm Emma. What's your name?
I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from the UK. What do you do?
I'm a designer. And you?
I'm an English teacher.
That's great. Why do you like teaching?
Because I love helping people learn.
See? Easy questions and answers.
Here are more simple questions. What's your favorite food? What time do you sleep? What do you do on weekends? How do you go to work? Where do you study? Why do you like English? Who do you live with?
You can practice these with friends or family.
Repeat after us. Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
What do you do?
I work as a student, teacher, or engineer.
Why do you study English?
Because I want a better future.
How's your day going?
It's going great.
Wonderful.
You're speaking very well.
Now, it's your turn.
Tell us in the comments.
What question do you want to practice?
Write your question below.
We love reading your comments. Thanks for watching today's English lesson.
If you enjoyed this video,
Like this video
subscribe to our channel.
and click the bell icon so you never miss future lessons.
More easy English is coming soon on English Vibes.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.